As the demand for renewable energy rises, the European Union has set ambitious goals for a climate-neutral future. Floating offshore wind farms play a crucial role in achieving these goals, unlocking the potential to generate clean, sustainable energy in vast, energetic ocean areas. What if we could redefine offshore wind farms to not only provide clean energy, but also restore our oceans and marine life? That's where INF4INiTY comes in. Our mission is to shape tomorrow's floating offshore wind farms, with socio-environmental considerations at our core. INF4INiTY develops gravity anchors, advanced scour protection solutions, and floating substructures for floating offshore wind farms with integrated nature-inclusive designs. The result? A sustainable balance between meeting our energy demand, minimizing harm to marine biodiversity, and restoring ecosystems with consideration for societal needs. Our expert team, bringing together marine biologists, social scientists, and engineers, combines cutting-edge numerical modeling with advanced industrial technology, integrating nature-based solutions, enhancing turbine efficiency, and drive down costs through sustainable designs, all while promoting a greener energy future. INF4INiTY works to reduce the environmental impact of offshore wind turbines, improve performance, and ensure the long-term sustainability of renewable energy production. Together, we can make offshore wind energy smarter, more sustainable, and better for our planet. To learn more and stay updated on our progress, visit us at INF4INiTY.com.